Okay, so one of JJ's words, or very few words he says, is bee. So I thought you would be proud. Let's show him the bee picture. Hey JJ, you want to see a picture of something? You're being silly. What is this? What do you see? What is that? What is that? What is that? What do you call that?
Fly.
What is that?
Fly.
What?
Fly.
What is it? What is it?
Go.
JJ, what do you think that is?
No. Bear.
Do you say bee? What is that, JJ? What is it? Bee? You're not gonna say bee. Okay. Last time.
Bee.
There you go.
Bee.
Yay! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye.